Hey, I'm Ty.
And I'm Gwen, and these are our daughters, Michaela and Aaliyah.
Now there's Asher.
And we're the Rams.
We're childhood sweethearts who have built a life filled with faith, family, and adventure.
We've been living the American dream, but realized we wanted more to life and wanted to live our dreams. We have this crazy idea to pick up our family and take a leap of faith into new adventures.
Follow us as we start our journey into RV living, business building, homeschooling, dream chasing adventures.
Like, comment, subscribe, and come
Roam with the Rams.
So we're on our way to Temecula to pick up our new trailer. Check out our new trailer, but we're pretty much trying to buy it.
How do you feel, babe?
I feel good. I like it. I think the inside's nice. I'm kind of like, do I want to mess it up? But I also think that outside, because of the sun in Southern California, there's a lot of things I would like to replace. I'd even like to repaint the bike rack. I know that sounds goofy.
No.
But like, I want to make it look like it's newer.
Yeah.
It's not old, but
How do you girls feel?
Good.
Wow.
Good.
That's it. Tell them, how do you feel?
Good. Good.
How do you like it?
Good.
Are you excited about your new room?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like Mom's bed because it's too little.
What? What do you think, Asher?
No, why?
We haven't really met you a whole lot yet, buddy. Are you excited? Yep. We did it. We bought it. We went to the bank. We paid for the loan. We paid it off. And it's ours now. Whoop whoop. As you've now seen, we bought a new truck, we bought a new fifth wheel. We're in the process of now figuring out, what do we do first? Do we renovate? Do we move in? We really want to get this one sold, so more than likely we'll probably move into the new one first and then try to get this one just a little bit touched up. That way we can get it on the market and sold. But we just found that this one, it was perfect. It was working really well. However, with the girls growing and finding their own little personalities, it's best if they kind of have a little bit more space. So we found an awesome deal from an amazing family, and it kind of happened really quick. And there's a whole story behind everything of finding the truck and the trailer at the same time. Yeah. Now we're here. The saddest part of the transition is just we put so much time and effort into this. We've been in it going on 5 months now. And so it's, our first home on wheels. It's going to be a little sentimental, but at the same time, I can't wait to renovate the new one. And we're definitely bringing you along for that. And it's funny because it's like we didn't even finish out the last renovation, and here we're going to share another one. Sorry about that. Obviously, life happened a little bit, and with everything being shut down too, it was just a crazy time. So we're gonna try to catch you all back up to speed and then be consistent from here on out with what is yet to come.
all right. There is our new bedroom. Before reno. Bathroom. Well, this is a lot big. Gets better size than it looks like. Cool. And then shower. Good sized bathroom for stuff. Gwen's wiping down the cabinetries.
Oh man.
Aaliyah's helping over there. Drawing. All right, so we are planning and trying to figure out what's gonna be what, and what we're doing. Just cleaning up.
Let's go do this and Costco really fast.
Okay.
And then when we
Okay,
get
well,
back,
I
we
can't color Tracy.
and I just feel like if we do it at night, then people won't watch us as much.
Okay.
And then we could do our clothes and the pantry food stuff.
The covers.
Okay.
Oh, okay. The only thing is this we can't have upside down because this will.
It's leaking?
Yeah.
Is it not? The lid's not on?
These lids are very look, that lid wasn't even snapped.
All right. After a $500 mattress, we got $250 worth of paint. It's okay, I know it's gonna look good. Okay, so this is day 3 with the trailer. First night in it, sleeping. Actually, I didn't sleep in the trailer. I slept in our old trailer out on the street. Man, I slept good. First order of service, we are transferring stuff to this trailer, and we're also gonna be pretty much hiding it all in cabinets because we are going to get to painting. I'm gonna make that a barn door. Gwen's got all the cabinets painted. At least, not all of them, because see, some are brown. All above the sink cabinets are painted. We got our dusty olive down there. And now I'm going back and I'm doing all the hardware. So I'm painting all of our hardware satin black. So that's what I'm doing now.
Hi, Olivia. Hi, what are you doing? Nothing. What are you doing? I just trying to open up your file. Yeah. We got this new truck. The Ram, we used to have a Ram, but we took it back to the dealership. And my dad dropped. Right? And guess what? My dad can't even get into the truck because I'm so little. And yeah, that's it. How do you feel having this new truck?
I love that new truck.
What about the new trailer?
I love that new trailer. I've been working on it. Can you tell?
Yeah.
Took off all the decals. What else?
I don't want to say. I was patiently waiting for my friend to come over all day long. Hi.
Thanks for watching this episode of Roam with the Rams, checking out our new fifth wheel and the renovation we started. Join us next week when we make a 4-hour trip to a cooler climate to get more work done. Painting, flooring, it's all happening next week here on Roam with the Rams. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell button to be notified when we upload videos every Sunday.